Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of the quickest, easiest and healthiest vegetable oats soup recipe which you can have as a meal for a quick breakfast or a light dinner in your weight loss journey. This nourishing vegetable oats soup is lightly spiced with Indian spices and has the flavor and aroma of a pulav, but minus the hassles, and takes just under 15 minutes to make. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. You can use any seasonal vegetables in this recipe like beans, chopped sweet potatoes, mushrooms, cauliflower, broccoli, etc. Today I'm using 1/4 cup of chopped cowpea beans, which is in season right now here in Kerala. And cowpeas beans is also high in protein and fiber. Along with that, I'm adding in one chopped carrot and a handful of green amaranth, which I'm chopping finely. You can use any seasonal greens which is available locally in this recipe. Into my stone grinder, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon black peppercorns and lightly crushing it. Next, I'm adding in 2 cardamoms, a small piece of cinnamon, 3 cloves, and again I'm crushing them and then powdering it coarsely. Transfer this to another plate and keep it aside. Add in 4 shallots for that extra iron, folate and antioxidants. However, instead of shallots, you can use 1/4 of an onion. Shallots are highly nutritious and hence I prefer to use them more in my recipes. Add in 1 green chili, 2 garlic cloves and a small piece of ginger. Green chili you can reduce or increase to suit your taste. Crush all this and then heat a heavy bottomed pan and add in 1 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. Instead of coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced wood pressed oils like mustard oil, groundnut oil, til oil or even desi ghee. Once the oil is heated, add in 1/3 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, and once the jeera splutters, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the crushed spices and the crushed shallots. Stir well and allow it to saute for about a minute on low flame. Add in 1/2 cup old-fashioned rolled oats. Stir well and then add in 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt and lightly roast the oats until golden brown. Add in the chopped vegetables and mix well. Add in 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder and mix well again. Add in 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Now if you like thicker soup, use only 2 cups of water, and if you like your soup to be slightly on the thinner side, use 2.5 cups of water. Mix all this really well and cover and cook on medium flame for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now in between, open the lid and stir well, and once the oats are cooked, turn off the flame. And also remember that the oats will thicken once it cools down, so adjust water accordingly. Serve the oats to a bowl and enjoy it as a wholesome, filling and nourishing meal. So guys, do try this healthy vegetable oats soup recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.